Mistras, one source for asset protection solutions.
The main menu gives you all of your functions of the instrument. The A/B scan allows us to adjust the screen for either A scan only, A plus B scan, A plus lowercase b, which is going to be a time of flight profile, and A scan plus a strip chart. Under the C scan mode, we can display A plus C scan, A, C, and B scan, A, C, and a lowercase b, or we can do your A scan and two C scans, one for amplitude and one for time of flight. The options menu consists of our spectrum analysis and also our thickness mode. Standard scanners are located under this menu. All of the scanners that we offer and all of the setup information is listed. Or you can also add your own scanner if necessary. And tap this button to load all of that information. UT settings are here. Scan settings. Motion control. View, which allows us to adjust our readings, graphs, the display, and the layout of the display. The configuration menu with a material library, motor encoder information, scanner information, regional information consisting of inches, millimeters, and language. Last, the file menu, where we can save projects or open a project, replay data, save data, or do a screenshot. Let's take a look at the UT settings. Under the receiver settings, we have our delay, width, and gain. These can be adjusted by either using the slide bar, the left or right arrow, or we can highlight and add our information from the keypad. High and low pass filters are located here. Rectification, we have full wave, half wave negative, half wave positive, and RF. Sampling rate is chosen here. You use 10 times the frequency of your transducer. I'll be using a 5 megahertz transducer, so I will use 50 as my sampling rate. We can add averaging, and your offset. Pulsar settings are located here. The unit has a 400 volt pulsar, which can be adjusted as necessary. It consists of 4 different pulsars: a spike pulsar, a square wave pulsar, a tone burst pulsar, and a chirp. Number of cycles would be adjusted here if I were doing tone burst. The pulsar mode, whether I'm using pulse receive or through transmission. I would use through transmission if I were using a dual transducer. And our frequency setting would be adjusted here. Again, I can use the slide bar, left or right arrow, or highlight and use the keypad. And then I can apply those settings. The bottom right menu gives you access to shutting down the instrument, your help topics, and about screen, replaying the jog bar, and of course setting up your B and C scans and replay.
Mistras, one source for asset protection solutions.